Could you be the one when I lose control?
Hey guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. Welcome to another video. In this video of today, we will know about that viral reel which you have seen in the preview. If you want to try this then, keep watching this video and let's start. Guys, to edit this stand, we need VN application which is easily find on your Play Store. So guys, first install the VN app. After that, when you will open this app, you will get interface like this. We need 10 photos to edit this reel. To import the photos, click on the plus icon and click the new project option and select the 10 photos from your phone library. Okay guys, you have to select like this and have to forward from here. Okay, you can see you have to take like this. Now guys, first delete the VN default clip from here. Okay, and select the ratio of 9.16. Then guys, we will add the music on here. Music link given on my Telegram channel. Telegram link is given on the video description. So guys, first open that link and download that reel video. After that, you have to extract the music from that given reel video. Okay guys, to extract the music, click on the plus icon on here and click the music option. Now click on the plus icon on here and here you will get extract from video option. Click on this option and select that reel which you have downloaded from Telegram. So I have to select this reel. Now guys, click on the OK option. Then click the choose option and have to done from here. Okay guys, in this way music will be added. Now guys, we will trim the photos according to music. So first I trim the photos, after that I will tell you the photos durations because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues. Okay. Okay guys, you have seen how to trim the photos. Now note the photo duration. So guys, you have to keep the first photo duration for 5440 seconds. Okay, then guys, other rest photo duration will be same, which is 0.50 seconds. Okay guys, you have to keep the durations like this. Your photos will perfectly sync with music. Okay, now guys, we will apply the effects on the photos. So click on the effects and apply the expand effects from here. Okay, you have to keep the full duration. Now click on the apply to all option and effects applied on the all photos. Okay, you can see. Now guys, we have to remove the effects from the first photo. So to remove the effects, click on the effects and have to none from here and have to done from here, and effects will be removed from your first photo. So you can see rest photos. Okay guys, now your video is completed. You can watch it. Okay guys, you have seen in this way you can make this video very easily. And now your video is completed. Now you can save this video. To save this video, click on the export option from top right corner and have to done from here. Then guys, click on the save to album option and video will be saved. So guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending videos notifications. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.